Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to this week's video. How you doing? I hope you are well. Right, for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I get from this curly bushiness to this. So I haven't straightened my hair for just over 2 years now. It was February 2017 when I last straightened my hair with hair straighteners. I'm not talking about blowing my hair out with the hairdryer, I'm talking about straightening my hair, which kind of means to me burning the hair. So I haven't done that for a little while, just because I just wanted to get off the heat situation while I was trying to grow my hair. So a little update about my hair. My hair might look a little bit shorter, but it does look a lot fuller. I've just completed the 10-day rice water challenge. I'll leave a link, I think it's up here, for you to just check out my details. Had so much growth, but since then I've rested my hair, haven't done any rice water practices at all, just because I wanted to start a new challenge. Because, do you remember, if you've been watching me long enough, you know that since September/October 2018, I started a growth challenge because I knew that come the winter, my hair usually breaks off. It thrives in the summertime, and then come the winter, so by spring, I got like one wispy hair on my head. And so I decided that I was going to go on a hair growth challenge so that I could just make sure that my hair does not break off. And look, my hair is flourishing. It looks amazing. It's nice and healthy. It's a lot bigger. Yeah, I smashed it, guys. I smashed it. But I don't know if you noticed, my hair was starting to look like a triangle again, so I needed to put a bit more shape into it. I just trimmed some of the ends here just to give it some more shape. I kept the length as best as I can, and then I got my bangs back in. Right, that's enough talking. Let's just get started, okay? Let's go and wash my hair. I don't need to record it because you have seen it already before. So I've washed my hair and I have deep conditioned my hair, and it's in this t-shirt because I want to make sure I can get as much water out of my hair as possible. So I don't want my hair to be dripping wet. Now, I haven't done my hair straightened for 2 years now, so I don't really remember the routine. So my hair texture is probably on the 3B side. Yeah, and my density isn't very thick, as you can see. I've got medium to low density, so I don't need any product that's going to weigh down my hair. Now, the Mel's Butter Me Up, I'm going to be putting a little bit in this into my roots because I do not want my roots to be really, really dry, and I'm just going to drape it on my ends, and that's it. I'm not going to really put it on the shaft of my hair. So let's just show you. This is about how much I'm going to be using there you go, it's gone, melted. So it does actually melt down for really nice oil. So I'm going to be putting that in my roots. Okay, so my hair is drying really, really quick, so I need to be quick here. I'm then going to take a little bit and put it onto my ends of my hair. So I use the Amari Me Black African soap with broccoli seed oil and sandalwood. Oh my goodness, this is a really great cleansing shampoo. My hair's getting dry. Look at it, it's getting dry, man. I can't blow dry like this. So because I'm using heat on my hair, I was a little bit nervous to actually put the heat on my hair, so I thought I would deep condition my hair, and what I used was the Amari Me Deeper. It's the Ayurveda deep conditioner. This is so moisturizing, super strengthening to my hair, and very, very hydrating. So I had that on my hair for about 10-15 minutes under a heated cap, and then I washed it out thoroughly, and this is what I got. A bit of a dry frizz ball. So I'm going to be using jojoba oil. This oil is so light. I mean, as if any of you don't know, that jojoba oil is the nearest oil that we have essential oil that is as close to our own sebum. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to rake it in my hair because I don't want my hair to weigh down. Right, so this is just pure water in this. I'm just going to lightly spray down my hair because it's going to make no difference for me to actually blow dry it when it's already dry. So I'm going to be using this. I'm going to kind of go crazy with this one because I don't want my hair to be damaged. Basically, this stuff is my best friend, okay? Got to protect the hair. I'm going to just give that a little bit of a, just to be on the safe side, okay? So what I'm going to be doing is, I'm going to be using this Remington blow brushy thing. I have a video that I used it last time. I'll link it at the top if you want to see how I use it for the first time. It actually comes with removable heads, and this is a double one. Oh, sorry, I'm sorry. So let's go. Okay, so that's somewhat, it's got a little bit of a kink, but it is actually dry, and I'm not going to overdo it with the heat. As you can see, it's got a nice shine to it. But we're not stopping here, because this is like, yeah, Frida Frizzy, and we are not doing Frida Frizzy today, okay? We are doing Slick Pocahontas. Okay, that didn't take too long at all, probably about 10 minutes. I've not really been trimming my hair or dusting my ends properly. I just kind of go in with the shape in, and I don't give it an all over trim. So what I am going to be doing is trimming those dead ends every time I pass the straighteners through my hair. I'm just going to be taking off the ends if I feel that it needs it. So I have my sharp hair scissors here that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using my GHDs. These go to a very hot temperature, 230 degrees, okay? I'm going to be doing the chasing method with this hard bristle brush. It's perfect because it kind of holds the hair in place, lets the cuticles lay flat while I'm straightening it. I'm really, really nervous about doing this. You're probably thinking, well, don't do it then, Mel, but I want to do it, eh? Okay, so I only want to pass it through once in my hair. I'm going to speed through this, but first of all, I'm just going to show you what I'm going to do. Finished look, I completed the straightening process. It's nice and straight, and my hair is nice and free. It's not all sticking together, it's not weighed down. Loving it, and it's frizz free, nice and flat. So what I'm going to attempt to do now is to wrap my hair and leave it in the wrap for about 10 minutes or so. So I'm just going to wrap it now. I don't know how well that's going to work because I'm hot. So I'm just going to leave it like this. I am not going to put any cap on my head, any scarf on my head, because my head is really hot right now. So I'm not going to go on any heat because your girl likes the sweat. So it's been about 15 minutes now, and I'm going to take it down. I don't even know if it's going to make a difference. I'm hoping it will. Anyway, let's see. This is the final look. I do like my hair straight, however, I do feel I look more mature with my hair straight than when it's curly. I'm definitely looking more like 47 now with this hair. So there are a number of things I wanted to note to get my hair bone straight, and also for it to be non-frizzy, so there's no frizz. I first had to make sure that my hair was completely build-up free, so it was really, really clean. The next thing I had to make sure that I just moisturised my scalp and my ends, and that I made sure that there was hardly any oil or you know, cream in my hair so that it would weigh it down. So I only put some of the jojoba oil in, and then I made sure that I saturated my hair with a heat protectant. That, I think, made the difference. And then the last thing I think that really made a difference to keep my hair nice and straight and to make sure that there was no frizz was to take it in really small sections. So I think the real test is this hair going to stay straight and for how many days? But anyway, I don't really want to be putting too much heat on my hair, so I will probably not be doing this for a little while yet. And then you'll see the video again, eh? So guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. It really would help my channel. Let me know down in the comments down below, what are you doing to get your hair bone straight? Yeah, I just need an easier routine if I'm going to do this again, if I am. If you've got some tips and some tricks, share them with us. We'd like to read them. So guys, don't forget to look out for my videos that are coming up for my hair challenge, the new hair challenge. Obviously, I want to get to my next level down, which is mid-back length. You're welcome to join me. Doesn't matter if you have a teeny weeny afro, shoulder length, armpit, bra strap. Sis, let's go on the challenge together, okay? Thank you so much to my online friends. You guys keep me going with the conversations. You keep me wanting to bring out new content. Thank you so much for all of your conversations. I really, truly thank you. And if you've just come across my channel, what are you aiming for? Just subscribe, because by now if you've watched to the end you like it, okay? Okay guys, I'm going now because I'm just getting a bit hot now. Can you see my hair's starting to look? It's starting already. This is ridiculous. Anyway guys, I will see you again in my next video. You take care now and God bless you. Bye.